Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand the new feature which has been introduced in Tableau, which is known as Workbook Optimizer. The Workbook Optimizer is a tool that identifies whether a workbook follows a certain performance best practices or not. These guidelines are limited to what can be passed from the workbook's metadata, and it's evaluated by the rules engine algorithm. Make it a point. It is not necessary that all of its recommendations are applicable to or appropriate for every workbook. What's the objective of this? The performance of individual Tableau workbook plays a central role for both individual consumers and at the organization level. A slow loading dashboard can quickly create the frustration and a negative perception of your analytics program. Not to mention the potential impact and overall system performance, but it can be quite frustrating if the dashboards are not working appropriately. How to activate this optimizer? At present, this facility is only available from the server menu. So, from the server menu, click Run Optimizer. The workbook is automatically evaluated against the guidelines and the result displayed in one of the three categories. Either it can be take action, second, needs review, or passed, that is ignored. You may see fewer than three categories. If no guidelines fall into a category, it does not display it. Expand each category to see the guidelines. You can also expand each guideline for more information about why its recommendation. Some are also having the additional information. You can choose to address any one of the guideline. As running the optimizer is a voluntary step in the publishing process, it does not prevent you from being able to publish. It's a voluntary process. Now, how to do this? Let's see the blog which has been written by the author, Michael Hattrick, who is a director of product marketing in Tableau. At present, I'm not having that feature in my workbook, but definitely I can show how it's working. So you can see here, you have to click on just a minute. You have to click on the publish here. See, it will repeat just a minute. Yeah, in publish, run optimizer will be there. Take action, needs review, and the third one is passed. Workbook Optimizer will evaluate your worksheet on the 7 categories of best practices. This allows you to access the combined wisdom of Tableau's robust community. Now, you can improve the performance of your workbook by either clicking on any three of them. So, first one, take the action, unused field. So by changing this, see what it says, updating these items to follow best practices won't affect your workbook functionality. Read against the take action. Okay, in second, needs review. So if you do the changes here, updating these items according to the best practices may require a trade-off in the workbooks. That is the second one, needs review. And the third one is pass, that is ignore it. So this facility has been introduced in the new feature of Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, you can subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.